Hi beautiful family, welcome back to the channel. This spray I'm about to share with you is what you need to regrow your hair, regrow your edges, stop hair fall, hair breakage, thicken up your hair and grow that hair super faster. Only thing you need to do is to watch this video to the end so that you get instruction on how to make use of it and also how to prepare it for best results. My first ingredient is guava leaf. If you are not be using this guava leaf on your hair regimen, believe me, after watching today's video, you will start incorporating it because you have a lot benefit to be getting in using this guava leaf on your hair regimen. Guava leaf contains vitamin B and C, which can help nourish hair follicles and make them stronger. It contains antioxidant that can help protect hair follicles from damaging and reduce oxidative stress. Guava leaf contains compound that can stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, which can promote hair growth. Guava leaf has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial property that can prevent dandruff and scalp infection. Regular use can also make your hair softer, smoother, shiner and more manageable enough. I just make use of one full hand of my guava leaf. I went off camera to wash it thoroughly. After washing it, this is the third wash, okay? So next thing, I'll bring this my jar, and my jar is super clean. I'll transfer this my guava leaf in the jar. Keep on watching to see how to use this tea to transform your hair, to stop hair fall, hair breakage, hair shedding and grow that your hair super fast without you spending too much money. Okay, this video is what you need to grow that hair this year 2025. So I will transfer all my guava leaf into this my jar container. So next thing, I will keep it aside and bring my second ingredient, which means lemongrass. Lemongrass is my second ingredient, and if you have fresh one, please make use of it. This is the dry one that I have at this moment. Actually, I plucked this when it was fresh, but I was so busy for some days, so the thing now get dry. So whether you have dry one or fresh one, you are good to go. And while using your lemongrass, whether fresh or dry in this form, make sure you are not using your hand to cut it because this lemongrass is very strong. Okay, so I will not wound yourself. Lemongrass help prevent hair from shedding and falling out and reduce hair loss. It can stimulate hair follicles to produce new hair growths. Lemon can stop itching scalp, relieve irritation, improve scalp healthing, detox the scalp to create a healthy environment of hair growth. I also wash it thoroughly. I wash it 2 to 3 times also. So next thing, now I transfer it into my jar container. Just keep on watching to see how to prepare this and also how to use this spray for massive crazy hair growth to stop your hair shedding, hair breakage and hair fall effectively. This spray is so effectively, the result will be gotten is mind-blowing. My third ingredient is lime. If you have lemon, it can also make use of it, but what I have now is lime. So what I need now is the skin, and also I also allow the fresh also to enter because the juice have a lot of benefit also in our hair. Okay, lime help balance the scalp pH, reduce excess oil and strengthen hair follicles. Lime or lemon can work wonders on hair. Regular usage will promote healthy hair follicles, lead to faster hair growth. Our second to last ingredient is cinnamon stick. If you have cinnamon powder, you can also make use of it. If you are using cinnamon powder, use 1 tablespoon of your cinnamon powder. So I'm going to put my cinnamon stick inside this my jar container my other ingredients. So I'll make sure that I press it in very well. My last ingredient is hot water. So I'm going to pour in hot water into this jar container and make sure the water I'll be using is very hot. My water is super hot. So I'll use this spoon now to stir it around some time before I will cover it up. I like this thing to infuse for 24 hours. Yes, it's not 12 hours this time around. I like this to infuse for 24 hours. Okay, so I'll cover it up and keep it in a dark cool place. After 24 hours, you'll see how this tea will infuse. So far I infuse it this way because I want this tea spray to be very powerful, very potent. If you want this tea spray to be very potent, infuse it the way I'm telling you now. So after 24 hours, this is what you have got so far. Do see that the tea have infused, the leaf have changed in color, and everything have really extracted into the water. All the benefits of this ingredient have really release their nutrients into this water. This is one of the best way it can infuse the tea spray. If you want the tea spray to do that magic wonders it's supposed to do on your hair, so that all the ingredients will be very powerful and very potent, please infuse it the way I just show you now. Do not boil this tea. You can also boil it, but I will advise you to do it this way. You're going to get the best benefit, believe me. So I just strain it, okay, into my spray bottle for easy application. So how to use the tea spray? This is how my hair is look like. The tea spray, I'm going to use it now to hydrate my hair as a leave-in tea spray. Do not wash the tea spray out. If you want to see the crazy faster hair growth, if you want the tea spray to stop your hair shedding immediately effect, if you want the tea spray to stop your hair fall, don't wash it out. Allow the tea spray to sit on your hair and do that work it's supposed to do on your hair, and you will see how your hair will thicken up, stop hair fall. Your hair will start growing super faster. And while using the tea spray as a leave-in tea spray, make sure your hair is super clean. Don't use it on a dirty scalp, on a dirty strand of your hair, please, so that you can get the best results you desire to have in the tea spray. Don't joke with the tea spray. Do not joke with the tea spray. Don't lay down on the tea spray unless you are not ready for crazy hair growth, unless you are not ready to stop that hair shedding, hair fall, and to thicken up your hair. That's when you can joke with the tea spray. But if you are ready to grow your hair like never before, if you are ready to see thicker hair, grow your hair like crazy, the tea spray is what you need to achieve that in a very short period of time. Only thing you need to do for me is to be consistent. Consistent is the key. That's where you will see crazy results when you are consistent. Believe me, in 1 month time, you will see how your hair will grow like never before. So I'm going to use the tea spray now to spray all over my hair, both my scalp and the strand of my hair, and I work it in very well. Make sure that I use my hand to squeeze it very well. Make sure that the tea spray penetrates everywhere it's supposed to penetrate on my hair, on my scalp, and also on the strand of my hair. And also, once I apply it, I also like to give myself a little gentle scalp massage so that the tea can also penetrate into my hair follicles and do that wonders it's supposed to do for my hair. And once you use the tea spray, please follow up with your moisture routine. Moisturize your hair with your leave-in condition. Follow up with your oil to stay in the moisture. That's when this moisture can sit on your hair very well and do that wonders it's supposed to do on your hair. If you have been thinking about the smell, whether it is the tea spray, whether if the tea spray smell horrible or not, this spray smells so amazing. You don't need to worry about the smell. The smell smells so amazing. So don't rinse it out. Allow this spray to sit on your hair to do that wonders it's supposed to do on your hair. Use this spray 3 times in a week. You can also use it every day on your hair. Either you choose to use it every day on your hair or you use it 3 times in a week, and believe me, you will see how your hair will grow super fast. You see how your hair will grow super fast, thicker, longer and healthier, and stop hair shedding and hair fall. If your hair stops shedding and your hair stop falling, it will help you for lead retention. You'll be seeing every growth you have so far. Okay, this spray will help you on that. Only thing you need to do, like I said before, be consistent. In 1 month time, you will see how your hair will change for good. I hope you find this video very helpful. If you have not subscribed up to this point, please click on that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Believe me, you will never regret joining this beautiful family. Okay, I teach how to grow your hair healthy, longer and fuller with DIYs without to break the bank. And if you have not liked up to this point, please help me and click that like button. It really encourages me and also it helps the growth of the channel. Okay, and also share this video to your family and friends so that they can get the beautiful good news on today's video and grow their hair massive, healthy and longer. So I have come to end of today's video. It's baby girl Glory. See you guys on my next video. I love you guys so much, but God loves you most. Remain blessed out there. Bye.